This video will show you how we use our FileCenter desktop software with our Store and Search cloud service. Here we have a map drive to the G drive on our server, which is a folder file room called Your Sample File Room. We have the same again in the cloud, which is our WebDAV connection, FTP connection to the same folder, which is a copy of the server file room. We access the cloud-based file room via a SmartFile desktop connector, which gives us the ability to allocate a drive letter to the cloud site. Here you see how we access the actual cloud site via the web interface, which means you don't need any software on your desktop or your laptop or your tablet. It's exactly the same file room, but just accessed via the web interface. We're now going to access those same files via the FileCenter desktop application, which sits as a layer above the directories. You can see here the G drive and the Y drive. All folders within the cabinets are indexed automatically by the FileCenter indexing engine. That goes for the cloud and also for the files residing on the shared drive on the server. If we now save a file into the desktop file room, I'm going to save an email with an attachment. We'll save it in its native format, which is an Outlook message. We now minimize Outlook. You can see the email has now appeared in the G drive cabinet. It's also been duplicated across into the cloud drive by our synchronization software. If we now type in the word Canon into our search window, we can see that the indexing engine has already picked up on the new file in the cloud file room as well as in the local file room. You can see one's the G drive and one's the Y drive. Both indexes are kept up to date, so you can, if you've got both indexes running, you can search both cabinets for the same results. If we now close FileCenter and disconnect our G drive, as if we're no longer working in the office and working from a remote office or working from home, you'll see that when we fire back up FileCenter after we disconnected the drive, we no longer have access to the local file room. We'll see the tabs at the top. One says cloud file room, the other one says your local file room, but it also states that we can no longer access the G drive. If we carry out a search, one of the cabinets is now greyed out because it's no longer available, the index. We type in the same search we did before. This time we're going to get one result because we're only looking at the cloud file room. There's a slight delay to allow for the fact that we're accessing the file over the internet as opposed to locally across the network, but it works exactly the same way as it did before. If we now drag a file across from our email and drop it into the cloud file room, obviously we're going to be updating one file room because we haven't got access to the G drive anymore. Fire up FileCenter again. We can see the new file here, but obviously we can't see it in the local file room. Let's disconnect FileCenter and remap that drive as if we'd gone back into the office and we're working back in the local network. When we fire FileCenter up again, we'll immediately see that both file rooms are available. Eventually, when the synchronization software runs again, you'll see that the email appears in both file rooms. Same for the indexing. We'll carry out a search. We'll carry out the search now for the new email. It appears in both file rooms. By using both Blackbox FileCenter in conjunction with Store and Search, businesses can ensure that they have complete business continuity. No longer will not having access to the office prevent users or staff working with files.